I was thinking maybe we should run away to an exhilarating place where everything is in your arms. Take a trip inside kaleidoscopic eyes and watch as they reflect the stars. Maybe when we fall asleep I'll see you in a dream, ignoring the alarm. 'Cause I don't wanna wake up unless I'm right next to you. Wake up, I don't wanna wake up. You look good without no makeup. Morning coffee with no pickup. All the energy I need radiate from you like beams. If I fall asleep, you'll be in my dreams. I don't wanna leave or let one moment pass. Commitment is all that I have, and I'll give you all that I have. But you wanna show you off. By myself whenever we get lost. Girl, I know that we gon' last, and they can laugh, but they don't have what we got. I was thinking maybe we should.
Ikaw at ako, pinagtagpo, nag-usap ang ating puso, nagkasundong magsama habang buhay. Nagsumpaan sa may kapal, walang iwanan, taginit o tagulan. Haharapin bawat unos na magdaan. Sana'y di magmaliw ang pagtingin, kay daling sabihin, kay hirap gawin sa mundong walang katiyakan. Sabay natin gawin kahapon ng bukas. Ikaw at ako, pinag-isa, tayong dalawa, may kanya-kanya sa isa't isa. Tayo ay sumasandal, bawat hangad kayang abutin, sa pangambay di paaalipin. Basta't ikaw, ako, tayo, magpakailanman. Kung minsan ay di ko nababanggit, pag-ibig ko'y di masukat ng anumang lambing. At kung magkamali akong ika'y saktan, puso mo ba'y handang magpatawad? ko alam ang gagawin kung mawala ka. Buhay ko'y may kahulugan tuwing ako'y iyong hagkan. Umabot man sa ating huling hantungan, kapit puso kitang hahayaan, ngayon at kailanman. Ikaw at ako